Yo, what's up, fam? Coach Don here with another moment for Let's Talk sessions that we should be having amongst ourselves in our community, about our friends and family, and conversations that we should have regularly on a day-to-day to help us become better versions of ourselves. And I figured we should be talking about these things because I have some people that I interact with regularly and talk to on a daily basis, and we talk about inspiring things that motivate us, and things that we haven't or not having amongst our family, amongst our partners, amongst our friends, co-workers, and stuff like that. That can have an impacting value in our lives today. So as you go through this page and follow me on YouTube or any social media, I'm going to be doing a lot of these talking conversations and things that I think that is important to me amongst my community and the people around me that we should be talking about, that we're not. And I always say, throughout my growth and to where my life has gotten today, I wish people had conversations with me early on, and I would have probably not done what I've done, or probably would have became better at what I'm doing early on in my life. So if that's you, stay tuned, stay locked in, subscribe, like, comment, and interact with me. And if there's anything you want to talk about moving forward, feel free to put it in the comments. Let's bring these discussions to life, because they need to be had. And if you're not having those discussions amongst your friends, amongst your family, amongst your partner, amongst your spouse or your children, feel free to have them with me, because I'm open. I would love to go through topics that may touch on life experiences and, points that me, you, and the people around us can become better at. That's what it's about. It's about growth. It's about growing. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. And that's what I'm here for. If we can get better at a lot of things, let's do it. But we can't do it if we're not talking about these things, all right? So stay locked in, stay loaded, follow, like I said, subscribe. It actually costs you nothing but support, and hopefully we can actually become complete strangers and talking to each other from either here or through comments or through anything that you like. So feel free, tap in, all right? All right, so let's attack one situation here, and I don't want to attack it. I just want to talk about it. Let's have a discussion about why friends, family members, your associates, people around you, people that surround you regularly, why they don't feel the need to support you, or root, subscribe, or just lock into what you got going on. And the most important thing is this, though. Let me tell you why. And I could be wrong, but let's talk about it. I can tell you why. One of the reasons I see is they feel like they are equal to you. They came from where you came from, right? And you should not be doing more than them. That's it. Truth. If I'm wrong, help me out. Help me understand this stuff. They feel like you should not be allowed to do more than them. So it's going to show up that they feel this way, and situations like they're not going to support you. They're not going to follow. They're not going to subscribe. They're not going to cheer you on. They're not going to root for you. They're not going to do it. It is what it is. But you have to just continue to keep going. You know why? Because they are your friends. And some of your friends are going to be the ones that help you elevate and surpass that rut or that situation or that struggling time that you might be in, because they do what they do. And you got to understand that. That's what they're going to do. They're not going to support. They're not going to root you on. They're not going to cheer for you. And these are friends and family. It's truthfully what it is. They're not going to do it. They don't care to do it, because here's why. You should not be doing more than them. You came from the same thing they came from. You came from the same area. They think you're cut from the same cloth they are, and your situation should be similar. But here's the thing. They're not doing anything to change their situation. They're just going to continue to be in the same boat, right? To be in the same situation. And hopefully one day things just remarkably change for them. What is not, because they're going to continue to just, not elevate. So facts is this: they do not want you to do more than them, become better than them, or do anything that may not involve them and may leave them behind. So they're not going to support. They're not going to help. They're not going to root for you. They don't care to root for you, and it's cut and dry what it is. But tap in and talk to me and let me know if you see something different. You know what I mean? Or why they don't support, why they don't feel the need to be in your corner. And why they continue to be around you and act like they cheer for you and act like they with you. You know what I'm saying? So let's talk about these things. You feel free to tap in the comments so we can get these things talked about. All right, so I just walked the bridge from Philadelphia, New Jersey. It's in the background. And I do it every Sunday, so this is where you're probably going to get a lot of me tapping in and trying to have discussions with you, because they need it. They're needed. But if you're in the area, feel free to tap in, join me. We can talk as I walk the bridge. All right.